This is 6th grade, take 5, working for you.
Parker.
Yeah.
Do you remember when we almost flooded Bobby's room with bubbles?
Yeah.
We should go learn how to really do laundry.
There are some very key things to doing laundry properly, Lizzie. You have to be very careful with your measurements. You have to be very scientific. So I'm going to teach you those things. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, laundry goes in. You got that part right. Now where you went wrong is you read directions where it says max and it has measurements. We don't need that. You need to know 3 things.
Okay.
Glug, dollop, splash.
Glug, dollop, splash.
That's not a glug load, it's a smaller load. So we're just going to go a dollop. Ready? And that's a dollop. Splash. Don't splash it on you. It will ruin you.
Ruin me.
Power. We want hot wash, heavy duty. Start. Glug, dollop, splash, start.
Glug, dollop, splash, start.
Very carefully measure.
Guys, we're gonna meditate today.
It's a hard rock. Empty your pocket!
Do you guys want to empty your pockets too?
What's in your pockets?
Well, I have a Las Vegas snow globe.
How old is that thing?
I think I got it when I was like 5, maybe.
So not very old.
And then, of course, I have a potted plant for some decoration. His name is Samantha. We love him.
We do. Where's Samantha stands here?
Okay, here we have Sasha. Sasha, of course, goes everywhere with me. She's iconic. We love her.
Is she your best friend?
She is my best friend.
Is she your only friend?
And then we have my bestie, my second bestie here, Harold. We love Harold.
Who do you love more?
I mean, they've both gone on so many journeys with them.
I really don't care. Just tell me who you like more. I want to cause drama.
I love them both equally.
Drama.
Harold?
Who's going to tell Sasha?
No one, preferably.
Well, she's right there and she heard you.
No.
Hey guys, we're gonna print out some king and queens at the school.
I now pronounce you queen of the school.
What? Thank you.
Do you have anyone to shout out to?
I mean, to all my amazing students. Couldn't do it without you. I pronounce you king of the school.
Thank you.
Who are you thankful for and who got you here?
All you guys, all my kids. Love for the family. Thank you so much.
Of course.
I pronounce you queen of fitness.
Yes! Yeah!
Thank my students, USD 231, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My co-workers, thank you all for this moment.
This is carpool karaoke.
La 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 la
I've seen you been hanging out with that other girl in town, looking like a pair of clowns, clowns, clowns. Remember all the things that you and I did first, and now you're doing them with her. Does it make sense? Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous.
When I was 13, I had my first love.
Wow, wow, wow!
You had to go crazy.